There is chicken over here. There is pork.
Yeah, but you don't like the fried chicken. So.
There is. I need to finish that. Oh, look, I need to finish the pork.
Yeah. Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning, everything. So yun, marami pa tayong mga gulay dyan. Kumusta kayo mga ka-everything? So ngayon, kahapon, ang saya namin ni Lloydie at saka Ate Claire. Sayaw-sayaw lang ba? Magluluto lang ako at maglilinis dito sa kitchen. Kasi ang dumi. Nagkalat na. Yap, hindi ito yung gusto ko, pero linis tayo. And then before tayo maglinis dito sa kitchen, i-arrange ko tong mga gawin ko tong mango shake. Tulog-tulog pa si Tami, tulog pa, pero 8 o'clock na. So yun, good morning, I will see you later. I don't know kung ano yung lutuin ko, and yun, magtapon tayo ng basyaran. Ito yung gamit ko palagi, yung binili ni Tami. Lagay ko lang ito dito.
I can't believe the night lay waste to all we'd given. But honestly, you've gotta know that this ain't living, but we could run.
Tumaas na yung putulan ko tong mga mataas gamitin. Ang daming tomato. Look. Dito din maraming hinog. Tingnan natin Look, daming hinog Doon din sa kabila, doon marami din. Bigay natin to sa kapitbahay ulit. Harvest natin ito. Harvest natin ito. Ito dito. Meron pa ba? Oopsie. Ito, ilagay natin dito sa loob para hindi kainin ni Roxy at Misty. Ito din, ilagay sa loob para hindi kainin. Meron pa dito Usus, ginoo ko, ang dami pa dito pala sa ilalim. Ang dami pa sa ilalim hindi ko to nakikita andun sa ilalim pala dito. Meron pa dito sa kabila. Dito meron pa. Okay. Ito. Ay, bata pa to bata pa. Ang dami kong kinain na strawberry dito kanina, guys. Ang tamis-tamis, grabe. Ang tamis. Every morning. String beans. And, yun. Say hi to everything.
Morning, everything.
Ang daming gulay, guys. Daming gulay. Meron pa tayo ditong mga gulay-gulay. Lutuin ko to mamadya. So, ngayon guys, mag-ano lang ako guys. Mag-edit na naman. And then, alis tayo mamaya with my hubby. I love you. I love you, baby. I love you, baby, baby ni mama. I love you, no, baby, baby. Who's mama's baby? Who's mama's baby? Is Roxy mama's little baby? Is Roxy's my baby princess? Yes, your mama's princess. Pa-close-close man sa eyes, oy. You close your eyes man, oy. What a baby. Look at that. Nagpa-pretend, oh. Why you pretending you're closing your eyes? You're not sleeping. You're not sleeping. You're acting up. You're not sleeping, oy. She opened one eye and then the other one is closed. What is wrong with you? You pretend really good. The other eyes was open. And the other eyes like this, closed, open. Oh, my mother is annoying. Closey. You know mama's gonna go. I will be right back, love. I will be right back, baba. Do you say hi to them? Can you say hi to our viewers? Can you say to our friend? Can you say hi to our friend? Hi everything, my friend. My mother is annoying, my friend. I want to sleep but I cannot go to sleep, my friend. So, kakain kami ng lunch. Yung kainin ko is yung binigay ni Ate Claire kahapon na bilo-bilo. Bilo-bilo yung kainin natin. Hello po sa inyong lahat. Si Tami naliligo. Magpunta sana kami sa Target. Pero, nag-change yung mind namin. Hindi kami pupunta ng Target. Pero, si Tami pupunta sa isang bahay. Kasi, nagtitext na naman yung kapatid niya na pupunta siya doon. So, yun. So, yun. Naloloka na si Batman ito. So, yung kapatid ni Tami, magpunta na naman doon. Ang daming. Ito, paano ko ito hurutin? Iwan ko na lang. Oh, bumili na naman ng bago. Ito, Kasi itong asawa ko talaga. Anyway, ang daming namin dyan. Lutuin ko yung at i-harvest ko yung eggplant doon. Sobrang init, guys. So, yung grass namin is dead na dead. As in, dead na dead. Paminsan, mag-ulan ng 3 beses sa isang, 3 beses. Sa isang linggo. So, magaganda yung yung mga damo. Wow, sobrang init, Grabe. Ang init dito. Iwan ko na lang talaga. Grabe. Alis na naman itong asawa ko. Iiwan na naman ako. Uminom na siya ng tambal niya. Tambal. Sana daw yung sa kanya. Pinadalan ko na siya ng niluto niya kahapon na pork. Ito, nilagay ko lang sa And then salad daw. And then, what else? Chicken. What kind of chicken? Duck? What kind of chicken? Duck?
I don't think so. 12 pieces of chicken.
Fried?
Fried or grilled? Either one.
Grilled. If Andre is there, grilled.
Okay.
Okay, just bring this whole chicken. It's little bit of that. I'm cooking vegetables.
There's plenty of chicken.
No, just eat. Bring that, and that's good. Okay. The heck.
How many?
There is chicken over here. There is pork.
Yeah, but you don't like the fried chicken. So.
There is. I need to finish that. Look, I need to finish the pork.
Yeah.
I need to finish that. That's it. There is pork over there. Whatever. There is another pork and pork and pork. Oh my god. So many pork. Did you notice that he keep leaving me guys lately? Yung naobserbahan ko din.
You know that, guys?
You notice that guys? What? Okay, you cannot give the animal something because they need to eat dinner. Hey, maybe you can bring that rock, huh? The rock, from the basement.
I don't know.
What's in there?
A little tiny bed.
Huh?
A little tiny cold bed.
Go, you go first. Itong buhay namin, buhay ko. He's leaving me as usual. Oh, bring that thing for your hand.
The two of them looked at me, just looked at me like, what, where you going?
Oh, you don't give them dry food today?
Yes, I did.
Oh.
How does it come now for it, no?
Then they need to eat their dinner. Dinner? Dinner? Hmm?
How do you know I pick up that one?
Because did you hear the noise? If you clang, 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 clang. Did you hear the noise of that
I
water?
made the same noise on your head. Was your head a bad one?
You're so
Oh,
bad.
you're so bad. Ooh.
You're so bad, honey. That's really bad. It's not ripe and it's not sweet.
Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired.
Now you're gonna ruin it. You know that? Danson. Dance. Honey, dance.
Where are you going to put this?
Put it over there.
Well, no, it should be near the toaster because the heat, when you pick your toaster on, you won't move.
Are you gonna say bye-bye?
Yeah, I need a band-aid for my finger. I need to put that on.
I'll get the bandage. He talk, guys. It means you have to get it. That's who he is. He will say, I need a bandage. Da, 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 da. And then it means you have to get the bandage for me. He's such a baby. Yung asawa ko ba is parang baby talaga yan. Binibaby ko ng masobra. Oh, you didn't know. Hi guys, nag-harvest ako ng talong. Mag-gisa tayo guys. I don't know what's wrong with bird. Why you have to do that? There's a lot of food. You know where's the food? In the ground.
I figure when they come and sit on the porch.
See, they tell you something when they sit in the porch.
So I thought that they look at me and they're like, why man, it's a good way.
Seriously, honey. You're imagining something, huh? That's really scary. I think magulay ako and then bihon ni Lloydie yung niluto. Hindi na, may counting rice yun lang. Kasi parang muntik na siyang masisira na yung ano ni Lloyd. First time ko itong gamitin pala guys. Itong oyster. Ito yung first time ko nagamitin ko siya. Kasi hindi ako nag-oyster. Nag-oyster lang ako noon kapag mag-adobo. Ginagamitan ko siya ng oyster sauce. Mag-ahumba pala humba. Sabi ko kay Tami, umalis ka, magluluto ako. Ito na naman yung ano natin. Kapag magluluto ako, aalis ka. May mga itsutsirang palaka dito na mga ayaw sa akin. So, itsutsera mga palaka na parang kilala nila yung relasyon namin ni Tami talaga. So, yan, magsasabi na, oh, bakit ganun ka? O, yung parang ang bait na asawa mo. Alam ko naman mabait, pero hindi nyo kilala yung relasyon namin dalawa. Nakikita nyo kami, oo, pero hindi nyo kilala yung anong relasyon namin. Yung kaming dalawa, pikunan, pero, you know, yung mga ganun. Kasi ang daming mga magsasabing ano daw ako, ano, ganyan na ako. And then, alam nyo, itong asawa ko, hindi ko magaganyan siya kapag alam kong ano siya, yung ibang tao. Kasi kilala na namin yung isa't isa. Kung mag-itsutsirang palaka ka pa, mag-itsutsira ka na lang dyan. So, ikaw na lang mag-isa, okay? So, ngayon, lagyan natin ng, ilagay ko si ano, guys? Ilagay ko si cucumber. Yun. Alam nyo, guys, ang dami ko nang na ano, na mga palakang, mga itsutsirang para away. Next time talaga, mag-hire talaga ako, mag-hire talaga ako. Ang daming mga, parang sobrang personal yung iba. Parang yung iba is kilala nila ako. And then kung makapanglait, ano, nabablock yung iba, guys. Inano ko agad, hinahide ko. Lagyan ko na siya ng oyster sauce. Yun, hinahide ko agad sila. And ayaw kong mag-entertain ng ano sa comment section ng mga itsutsirang palaka dyan. Kasi hinahide ko agad sila. Kasi next time, kapag babalik yung mga yun, gumagamit ng ibang mga account, mahalata ko kasi, ipaano ko talaga, hanapin ko talaga yung IP address nila kung sino talaga sila. Mag-hire talaga ako kasi yung iba parang personal na personal. Isipan naman ngayon mag-hire ng tao para hanapin yung mga IP address ng mga taong ngayon. So, yun siya, guys. Yun yung, ano, nilagyan ko siya ng finally! Tapos na siya. Look. Tapos na yung gulay. Tinakpan ko lang siya para maluto talaga. Iwan ko, yung ano ni Lloyd is muntik na siyang masisira. Kaya bilisan ko yung gulay. Nilagyan ko siya ng ano, soy, oyster, init. Konting soy lang, guys. And then, ano, bagoong. Sarap. So, ito yung gagawin ko, guys. But anyway, guys, i-end ko na tong vlog. Ito, ganyan ko. And then, tawagan ko si Tami. Kasi, andun siya. Wala akong, kumusta na to? Kumusta na siya? Ganon. Wala. Anyway, guys, I will see you guys tomorrow. But, salamat, guys. Salamat sa time. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye! Good night!